So today we're looking at a Gerber toilet, and the handle simply just broke off. You can see the broken plastic, and it's no longer attached to the handle. So we found the piece we needed on the Gerber website, and we're gonna show you how to replace that today. So one thing you can do if you want to remember how it was latched on previously is just take a picture so that you can follow it exactly when you reattach it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to unhook the chain. And here's the broken piece. You can see the plastic just broke off. And the next thing you'll do is you want to unscrew this, and you'll need some pliers. Now that you have the old handle removed, you'll just insert the new one. Just make sure you get it in front of that. So you'll want to make sure the handle fits in the hole properly, and then you'll tighten the washer. And then just get it nice and snug. Can even tighten it with your one more time. Then you'll attach the chain to the handle. And you may need to tighten it a little bit. Now that we've got the chain on and we've tightened our washer, we can go ahead and test it out. Seems to work just fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Big Al Repairs.